Hi everyone. Today I and my friend to tell you story about the elephant. It's cute, isn't it? And the ant is cute, isn't it? Here goes the story. Once upon a time, there lived a huge elephant in a jungle. Because he was so much bigger than all the other animals, he always struggled. My name is Elephant. I'm the strongest and the biggest animal in a jungle. Yes, I'm the strongest. Just then, a chicken passed by. Hey, yes? Go away. This is my place. What? Your place? Yes, go away. I said go away. Oh, okay. I'm going. Sorry. Yes, I'm the strongest and the biggest animals in a jungle. One day, as they were going, the big man in the same jungle, there was a family of ants. They would have a working family. They always go to the top every day. They would go together food. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little dog, the sound, and the up go marching down to the ground, to the out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. One day, as they were going, the big man elephant threw water on them. Splash! 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 I'm the strongest and the biggest animals in a jungle. The ant and other animals go away. Hey, what's the matter with you? Why do you keep troubling others? Oh, shut up, you tiny ant. One more word out of you and I will walk over all of you and kill you. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Sure. The little ant had no choice. It kept quiet and went on its way. We need to do something about the elephant. You should have taken a fight with the elephant. He is very intelligent and very strong. He could crush you. But, forget it. Let's avoid him. The next day, when the ants were going to work, the tiny ant decided to teach the elephant a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. Hey, where are you going? I forgot to bring something. You go ahead first. The other ant walked their way to work, while the tiny ant took another way and waited for the elephant to come. The elephant shortly came towards the ant. Ha 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 ha, whom am I dwelling today? Ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. The ant quietly climbed onto the elephant and made his way to the elephant trunk and turned it. Once inside, she started biting the elephant. Ah, what's this? It hurts! It hurts! You arrogant elephant! Take this! The ant bites again and again. The elephant tried everything, but it couldn't get the ant to stop biting him or come out of its trunk. Ouch! Ouch! Such a big elephant became useless friend of the tiny ant. Please stop! Stop it now! Not until you promise you won't disturb others again. Yes, I promise. Please stop, please. Very well then. And so the ant stopped biting the elephant and came out of its trunk. I'm sorry. I have understood how bad I made others feel. I promise I will never ever do it again. That's a good thing to do. That's the end of story. The moral of the story is we have to respect everyone, big or small. Don't make fun or bully others who are weaker or smaller than we are. Hope you enjoyed the